Michael, take us through it.
Yeah, hi. Thanks, Mark. So what we were showing off here in this room is we've got a full, like you said, a full architectural installed solution for a performance theater with definitive technology. So here we start with our Dimension LCR 650 Maxes. This is a dual 6.5-inch LCR speaker. We have 3 of them across the front. One behind the screen, of course, for the center channel. And then we're going to move on over to our surround speaker. So this is the Dimension Surround Max. So this is a cool little speaker here. We actually, since Definitive Technology is really known for their bipolar style speakers, this is a in-wall bipole speaker. Super cool. So it's got dual 5 1/4, dual 1-inch aluminum oxide tweeters. Gives a really nice wide soundstage for your surround speakers. So that whole, it kind of like stops at pinpointing through and really opens up the surrounds here. Going back for our rears surrounds, we have the DW 65 Max. That's a 6.5-inch in-wall speaker, pivotable tweeter like this, so everything kind of moves on that part. And then going up top for our Atmos channels, this is a pretty cool speaker up there. So that is our DC 80 Max. So it's an 8-inch in-ceiling speaker, but the cool thing about that speaker is that the whole woofer basket pivots, so you can really get a good pinpoint on where you want to get that sound to come out of, as well as the tweeter moves independently from the structure as well. So finishing this system off is our subwoofers. So we have dual of the DN15 subs. So that's got a active woofer here on the front of the, and then on either side is passive radiators of both 15s. And then powering this whole system is a Denon AVRX 6800. So that is a 11.4 channel receiver, 140 watts per channel. And also the cool thing about that one is not only does it have a lot of power, but that unit is also made in Japan. So we're pretty proud of that receiver. The great thing about this system is we get super high performance audio out of this, and it's only cost for all the 7.2.4 plus the receiver. This is only a $12,000 install per high performance theater.